Welcome. Today we're covering why smart founders use $10 per month AI models, not GPT-4. A founder in Yangon just replaced his $400 per month GPT-4 API bill with a lightweight model that costs less than his morning coffee. His results actually got better. In this video, I'm breaking down the quiet revolution happening in AI right now. Small language models are eating the lunch of expensive, bloated enterprise AI, and the smartest founders in Southeast Asia are already making the switch. Here's what most people get wrong. They assume bigger equals better. OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, they're all racing to build the largest models possible. But while they're doing that, a growing wave of entrepreneurs are discovering that fine-tuned small models, think Phi 3, Mistral 7B, TinyLlama, Gemma 2B, can handle 80 to 90% of real business tasks at a fraction of the cost. We're talking customer support, bots, content generation, data extraction, lead qualification, internal knowledge bases, all running on models you can host on a $10 per month server or even a decent laptop. In this video, you'll learn why small models outperform large ones for specific business tasks. If you found this valuable, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss our weekly AI breakdowns. See you next week.